Well, although we definitely gave it his best shot, I don't think that potato plant, the Charlotte second early, is going to make it. Most of the foliage has died by now and it's not really showing any signs of getting any better. And this is the plant. As you can see, it's pretty much given up the ghost. So I think in this situation, there's only one thing that we can do, and that's a potato reveal. I'll be putting that video on this channel at around 5 o'clock today, and then we'll see that even with a plant that's been battered from pillar to post since it first left that compost, will we get anything or will we get nothing? So that's the first potato reveal of this year. So if you're interested in seeing the results from that container potato, Charlotte second earlies, then pop back around 5 o'clock and that video will be on this channel. So maybe I'll see you all then.